many of you are still struggling with your Samsung ice maker freezing up. My wife and I had the same problem with our Samsung ice maker, but the problem was fixed about 4 months ago in May 2020, and now looks like this. I suggest that you speak to your warranty or service company about the Samsung service bulletin that's shown on your screen. I'll leave a link to the service bulletin in the description below. Like many of you, we really love the Samsung refrigerator except for the ice maker freezing up or building up ice. Under warranty, a service company attempted 3 times to fix the problem, but the problem kept coming back and we were frustrated just like you. I had been on the phone with Samsung talking about a partial refund, but decided to give the warranty company one more chance and asked if they would replace the ice maker, and they gave their approval. The warranty company sent out a different repair company, and in my opinion, these service techs were much more professional and well trained. They said it looked like the previous repair company performed 5 of the 7 repair measures, but had not performed 2 key measures. The first being checking and adjusting the water line placement, and the second being replacing the ice maker assembly. They got on the phone with Samsung, ordered the replacement ice maker, and reconfirmed the service repair measures. They adjusted the water inlet line and said that ours was not inserted far enough into the ice maker. They said that incorrect placement of the water inlet line would cause water to splash onto the ice maker and contribute to the ice buildup problem. Adjusting the water line placement seems to have fixed the problem because we have not had any ice buildup since then, which was mid-May 2020. They did return about 3 weeks later to replace the ice maker assembly, and my wife and I have been happy ever since. Again, I suggest you ask your warranty or service company to look into the Samsung service bulletin and hope that the 7 repair measures takes care of your problem too.